I visited the Balder Viaduct with the DJI Mini 4 Pro drone and got some nice video. It's in a beautiful part of the country in County Durham. The Balder Viaduct, also known as the Railway Viaduct over the River Balder, is a majestic 19th century structure built in 1868 to carry the Tees Valley Railway from Barnard Castle to Middleton in Teesdale. It spans the River Balder with 9 round arches supported by 8 rugged sandstone pier and end abutments, crafted in traditional brick bonding, while low parapets topped with cast iron railings complete its design. Recognising its architectural and historical significance, the viaduct is Grade 2 listed on the National Heritage List for England. The list entry number is 1121043. In the historical context, the viaduct formed a pivotal part of the Tees Valley Railway, an 8 3/4 mile branch line that opened in May 1868 and ceased operations in April 1965. Passenger services ended in November 1964, followed by freight a few months later. Although primarily constructed to transport lead from the upper reaches of Teesdale, the railway ultimately carried substantial quantities of stone from local quarries. So what is it today? The former railway line, including the Balder Viaduct, is now part of the Tees Valley of the Tees Railway Path, a scenic trail popular with walkers, cyclists and riders. Positioned just north of Cotherston, the viaduct straddles the parishes of Hunderthwaite and Cotherston in County Durham, although historically that area was once part of the North Riding of Yorkshire before boundary reorganisation. It now serves as a striking architectural feature and a testament to Victorian engineering, offering a glimpse into the region's industrial past while providing a tranquil route through Baldersdale's beautiful landscape. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It costs nothing and you will then get notifications of new content.